Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Israr Ahmed, son of Falali Bukejo. I am from Lodra. Start with the name of Allah who is most beneficial and most merciful. Today we discuss about Partition of Bengal. Partition of Bengal. Lord Curzon was the Viceroy of India at the time of partition. In July 1905, Lord Curzon issued an order to dividing the Bengal into two parts. One is East Bengal and other one is West Bengal. Surendranath Banerjee opposed the partition of Bengal and Nawab Salimullah Khan was the leader of East Bengal Muslims. Swachi movement was officially proclaimed on 7 August 1905. United Bengal was 1,89,000 square miles with 80 million population. After partition, East Bengal became Muslim majority province and West Bengal became Hindu majority province. Annulment of partition of Bengal was happened on 12 December 1911. Muslims were disappointed and then Nawab Salimullah Khan was left the politics in Bengal. Thanks.